Trubish, last of the first half. You know, backside, it wasn't even there. Asamoah working on Obamano, and he was all over.
Let's watch Nnamdi Asomugha, one of the best, probably the best bump and run corner in the National Football League. To watch him, his technique and staying square. He knows Ben Obanamu is going to come inside. He sits in there and says, come on, buddy, come on in here. And that's one of the things that makes him so great. He has the physical skills, but it's the preparation, the work he does Monday through Friday that sets him up for Sunday.
Incomplete, intended for Forsett.
Going Ron, a great.
Yeah. Whatever. Here, come back.
Okay, tickle him. This is Daniel, December 28th, 2010.
You ready? Tickle. Oh yeah? Tickle. You gonna jump? Jump. Jump. Oh no!
More than the first sting. Of course, once one of these things is stoned and that scent gets into the air, the whole thing will get more and more aggressive. As with all there is an element of luck to the defense system. The night could not be too cold. Plus, the bees would need to start singing in order to get more bees aggressive. Although there is an element of chance, any defense is better than none. Such as strong walls and human sentries. But there is a weapon from the ancient world that blasted its way through cold and luck. It was unstoppable. It fired 1,500-pound balls over a mile. Ancient discoveries will fire a replica of ancient cannon for the very first time. The stakes are high. No one has ever this mega and
Come on, little man, you can do it.
We've got our mouse.
Try again.
Now let's go find those missing animals. This is where the animals are supposed to be.
He's just like playing.
But look, they're all missing. Okay, the first thing we need to do is see how many of each animal we need to find. Let's start with the cows. How many cows do we need to find?
He is turning himself in a circle.
Yeah.
Next we need to find the pigs.
You can
How
do it,
many
buddy.
pigs are there? 10. You got it. And last but not least is one elephant. Gosh, that's a whole lot of animals. Not if we take it one animal at a time. First, let's look for the cows. Here, cows. Come to Goofy. Come on, Goofy.
It's that arm. You can get the arm out of the way.
To call a cow, you need to sound like a cow. What sound does a cow make?
Oh, that was so close. He's gonna be exhausted today if he keeps doing this.
The cows must be too far away to hear you. Now what? Why don't we check our Mouseketools? Maybe one of them can help us call out to the cows. Everybody say,
Yummy.
Yes, you gotta use that arm. You gotta use that right arm. Yeah. Oh.
That's
my pretzel, thank you.
Honey, chop, chop.
a blanket.
That's Daniel. Daniel.
What's Daniel trying to do, Elena?
Eh.
The mystery mouse.
Whoa.
Is he trying to roll over on his belly?
Call the cows.
He's rolling.
He's trying, isn't he?
Horn, you
He's going. He's
freak out here.
Why don't you lay down on the floor? You show him how to do it. Maybe that will help if he can watch you. Roll over. Roll over.
Thanks, Mickey. Let's help Goofy use the football. Cup your hands around your mouth and say, moo. Moo. Say it again. Moo. Do you hear him? Let's listen. I hear him. But they sound really far away.
away, Daddy.
Before they wander even farther away. Do you see something that'll help us get to the cows fast? You see a bike? Yeah, there it is. A bicycle built for two. Oh, boy.
Try.
Louise, we're coming.
No, no, no.
Just away.
You can do it, buddy. You can do it.
You can do it, and you can do it.
Me and Goofy are looking for some cows. Have you seen any?
Cows? Let me think. Oh,
I don't know if you can do it while you're stuck in your zone.
No, I think he's done.